everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create this. At first we need to open our picture, and then from using this effect we are going to using the layer adjustment. Go to the layer adjustment and select solid color. After select the solid color, you can see the color picker window. You can choose any color you want. I choose red and hit OK. For create that effect, we need to change your blend mode from normal to hue. After selecting the hue, you can see the stunning color effect. You can also control the color tone value from using opacity. From decrease the opacity, the color tone should be decreased, and increase the opacity, the color tone should be increased. I leave the opacity 100%. And then double tap on the adjustment layer for controlling your color. Choose any color you want. After choosing your color, you can hit OK and select that color. Now our effect is done. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.